Hi students, in this exercise we will learn how to adjust the profile view station limits. There are often times when a profile view needs to be manually adjusted. For example, the most common change is to limit the length of the profile view that is being shown. It's fit on a specific size of paper, or you can say viewport. You can make some of these changes during the initial creation of a profile view, as we have done in the previous exercise, but you can also make changes after the profile view has been created. One way to do this is to use the profile view properties dialog to make changes to the profile view. The profile view is an AutoCAD Civil 3D, so it has properties and style that can be adjusted in this dialog to make the profile view look like you need it to look. So just open 710 profile view properties drawing, which you can get from the description of this video. If you did not get, please write down in the comment box and I will get you this drawing. Once you will open, you will see alignments with profiles. One profile we have, and it's for the row D profile. Just zoom to the profile D full grid view and then pick a grid line on profile view, and from the contextual tab modify view panel here. Okay, just select profile view properties icon button to display the profile view properties dialog. On the station tab here, if you are somewhere else on any other tab, then you just switch to the station tab and click on use specify range, and here you need to put end station as 670. Just press enter. Just note that you do not need to type the plus symbol. Then click OK to dismiss the dialog box and press escape to clear the selection. Now if you notice, the profile view will now reflect the updated end station value. One of the nice things about Civil 3D is that copies of profile view retain the properties of that view, making a gap view easy to create manually if it was not created with the wizard. Just press F8 on the keyboard to enable the auto mode, and then right copy in command bar and just press enter. Now pick the row D full grid profile view you just modified. We will copy this profile view to add another stations area, like we have from here 305 to 670, and then we will create another profile view for the remaining profile length. Okay, just pick the row D for full grid profile view you just modified. Make sure you are selecting the grid representing the profile view and not the line that representing the profile. These lines do not need to click on them. Just select grid view. Press enter to complete the selection. Pick a base point anywhere on your profile grid and move the cursor to the right. When the crosshair reach a point where the two profile views do not overlap, pick that as your second point and press enter to copy, to end the copy command. Now pick a grid line on the copy just created here, and from the profile view contextual tab modify panel, same like before, select profile view properties and switch to the station tab. And now we have some stations as we have in the previous profile view. Now we will change them. For the start station, just put 607, and for the end 1250.42 and just press enter. Click OK to dismiss the dialog box. Now if you see, the total length of the alignment will now be displayed on the two profile view with the gap between the two views at station 706. Here we are starting with 670 and here we end with 670. So you may want to move the copy profile view since it holds the station location, thus shifting it to the right. You could also copy the profile view in place and then change the setting with no need to move the profile view. So this is how we can split and we can adjust our stationing of profile view after creation of a profile view with just some editing tools. Hope you liked this video. In the next exercise we will learn how to adjust the profile view elevation after creating the profile view with just editing tools. Stay tuned with us.